Hey guys, it's the last week of 4340, so I just wanted to touch base with you because oftentimes this is probably one of the most difficult weeks of the entire program. You're wrapping up another project course, you have deadlines in this course, you're tired, you've been pushing for months. And you get to next week, you're kind of getting toward the end, so it gets exciting again. So I just know that this week is hard, so I'm going to ask you to just dig deep, get through it, and it's a really good idea to plan to make sure you get your assignment submitted as soon as possible, and make a plan for Sunday to reward yourself for all of your hard work. Do something fun. Go to a great meal, spend some time with your family at the park, whatever you enjoy doing as a reward. I encourage you to schedule some time for that on this Sunday, just as a treat for yourself. And if you'd like, please share what you're going to be doing to reward yourself in your main post for the week. Thanks. Have a great day, guys. If you have any last questions, please let me know. Have a good one.